the 4th of July, 2023. It's that gratitude guy with the Monday Morning Minute. The 4th of July, also known as Independence Day, is a significant holiday in the United States commemorating the nation's declaration of independence from British rule in 1776. Beyond the festivities, fireworks, and barbecues, this day is an opportunity to reflect on gratitude. Gratitude for the countless sacrifices made by the founding fathers and patriots who fought for our freedom and liberty. Gratitude for the enduring values of democracy, equality, and justice that form the foundation of the nation. It is a day to express appreciation for the privileges and opportunities that being an American citizen entail. Gratitude on the 4th of July extends beyond national pride to encompass the people who continue to contribute to the well-being of the nation. It acknowledges the armed forces, first responders, and essential workers who dedicate their lives to protect and serve. It recognizes the diversity of cultures and perspectives that enrich the fabric of American society. Gratitude in this day reinforces the notion that freedom and progress are not to be taken for granted, but cherished and safeguarded. As the fireworks light up the sky, may it remind us to be grateful for the past and inspire us to build a better future for all. I'm that gratitude guy. Remember, be grateful and never quit.